Hey guys, what's up? If you're tired of scraping your Jeep XJ's front end on rocks, curbs, or those nasty off-road drops, this one's for you. We're checking out the best front bumpers for the Jeep Cherokee XJ. Whether you're building a trail beast or just want that rugged look with some serious protection, I'll break down build quality, features, and real-world use so you know what's worth your cash. And hey, all the links to these bumpers are in the video description. Alright, kicking it off with the ECOTRIC DIY front bumper kit. This one's for the hands-on folks who love to weld and customize their own rig. It's CNC cut from 3/16" steel, giving it that beefy durability while letting you shape it your way. Fits a standard 10 by 4.5" winch plate and works with any 1984 to 2001 Cherokee XJ. Just remember, welding's required and there are no instructions, so you'll need some skill and patience. But for DIY builders, this thing's a sweet blank canvas. Next up, the YZONA bumper brings big value and a clean, tough look. It's compatible with both Cherokee XJs and Comanche MJs, and it's loaded. A 12,000-pound winch plate, two 9,500-pound D-rings, plus a 120-watt LED spotlight and a pair of 18-watt LED pods. The textured black steel resists rust, even if you scratch it up, and the paintable finish lets you match your Jeep's vibe. Installation's bolt-on and pretty simple, but I'd still have a pro do it for safety. And with a 2-year warranty, it's peace of mind all the way. Now the Hooke Road full-width bumper is built for hardcore off-roading. It's made from 5/32" steel plate and includes a grill guard hoop for solid front-end protection. You get a winch plate for up to 12,000 pounds, two 18-watt LED lights, and D-rings rated for 9,500 pounds. The black powder coat with E-coating inside means this beast laughs at rust and corrosion. Installation needs some cutting, but once it's on, it fits like a glove. Perfect if you want something sturdy without going custom. The EAG Stinger Stubby bumper screams off-road attitude. Built from 5/32" steel and 2" tubing, it features a bolt-on stinger bar that helps stop your Jeep from tipping forward when dropping off obstacles. Super clutch for rock crawlers. It's got a built-in winch plate for up to 12,000 pounds and high-strength D-ring mounts welded solid. The textured black powder coat looks mean and holds up to abuse. Plus, installation's easy, no drilling or cutting required. If you want protection, style, and function without a fuss, this one's a solid bet. Another hitter from EAG, the Stinger full-width bumper. It's got that pre-runner vibe with a removable hoop and tabs for extra lights. Made from 5/32" steel and 2" tubing, this bumper's strong enough for serious off-roading. The built-in winch plate handles up to 12,000 pounds, and you get two 12-watt LED lights in the box. It's bolt-on, tough, and fits like OEM. Owners rave about the fitment, the clean look, and how easy it is to install with just basic tools. Great bang for your buck with killer protection. Finally, the Smittybilt XRC is the king of the hill. Designed for maximum clearance, it's built from 3/16" cold-rolled steel and welded by robots for perfect precision. It's got a 1.75" bull bar with mounts for 9" lights and supports winches up to 15,000 pounds. That's serious muscle. The raised corners give better approach angles and the D-ring mounts are welded inside and out. It's tough, sleek, and battle-tested by Jeepers everywhere. If you want premium performance with a proven name, this one's hard to beat. So there you have it, the best front bumpers for your Jeep Cherokee XJ, from DIY setups to full-on trail monsters. Whether you want to weld your own, bolt on a full-width tank, or roll with that Stinger-style flex, there's something here for every Jeep enthusiast. Don't forget, all the product links are in the video description below, so you can check prices and reviews yourself. And hey, If this video helped you out, smash that subscribe button and drop a like. Catch you on the next ride, folks.